thank my party for the trust they have put in me as their candidate for the position of the speakership of the 12th Parliament. Fellow countrymen and women, today I officially declare my candidature for the speakership of the 12th Parliament of Uganda. As the 12th Parliament prepares to embark on its 5-year term beginning on 25th May 2026, and considering the numerous lessons learned from the previous Parliament, the choice of speakership is a matter which should interest all Ugandans. As the head of the legislative arm of government, a speaker provides the strategic legal, procedure, governance, administrative compass for the lawmaking, representation, oversight, appropriation, and functions of Parliament. As the chief custodian of the rules and privileges of members, the speakership requires an experienced, exemplary, and patriotic Ugandans like myself. Today, as I step forward to offer my candidature for the speakership of the 12th Parliament, with the ambition of enabling Ugandans have a pro-people speaker who will restore the image of Parliament, retrace its strategic direction, and reform its processes and procedure in pursuit of Parliament that serves the best interest of all Ugandans, irrespective of tribe, religion, color, political party, or creed. My candidature is vested in my proven commitment to defend our national constitution and serving the people of Uganda with honor, dignity, and patriotism. At the time when we are striving for remarkable socio-economic transformation, Uganda deserves a parliamentary leadership which will listen and respond to the aspirations of the masses on how national resources are allocated, the nature of laws passed, and the manner in which Parliament operates. Yes!